How to convert a 2D sketch into a 3D model online. If you've ever sketched a floor plan on paper and wished you could see it in 3D, you're not alone. With modern online tools like Homestyler, converting 2D sketches into 3D models is easier than ever. First, take a clear photo or scan of your sketch. Then, open Homestyler and upload that image into your workspace using the Import Image feature. This lets you use your sketch as a background guide while tracing over it. With the 2D Wall tool, start outlining the walls based on your sketch. Simply click and drag to draw, using your sketch as a visual reference underneath. Add windows, doors, and room divisions as you go. Once you've mapped everything in 2D, click on the 3D View button, and just like that, your drawing comes to life. Homestyler turns your lines into walls, adds height, and renders a walkable space. From here, you can add furniture, flooring, and lighting to personalize your model. You can even simulate how light enters the room at different times of the day, using Homestyler's render options. This process is great for bringing hand-drawn plans into the digital world. Whether you're a student, a homeowner, or a designer, it's a practical way to visualize your ideas. Use the link in the description to try Homestyler for free. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to go from pencil lines to photorealistic interiors.